Hello students, welcome to the next class of standard 4th, chapter number 8. In first video we have seen the parts of the circle. Now in first video we have seen question number 1 to 4 for the chapter number 8. Now we are going for the next question number 5. Question number 4. We have done from question number 1 to 3. Now we'll start question number 4. Complete the table given below. Already I have explained you the radius is given and the diameter is the double of that radius. Here in the table, in few number is given for a radius and few numbers is given for the diameter. Measurement is given in radius or diameter. So जहाँ पे भी radius दे दिया है वहाँ पे हमें radius find out करके लिखना है, and wherever the diameter is not given, there will write the diameter. Okay. So here in the question number 4. Here you can see question number 4, page number 111. Here you can see radius is given 2 centimeter. So diameter is double 4 centimeter. This first example is given. Now from the second we have to write the answer. Second one, radius is given how much? 3 centimeter. So diameter is double of the radius. Diameter 2 multiplied by 3 centimeter. Okay, so it is how much? 6 centimeter. यहाँ पे सर्कल का रेडियस दिया है 3 सेंटीमीटर एंड डायमीटर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. क्या करेंगे? 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो विल गेट द डायमीटर ऑफ अ सर्कल. डायमीटर इज 6 centimeter. Next is third one. In third one, diameter is given is 8 centimeter. यहाँ पे diameter क्या है? First one में radius दिया था, यहाँ पे diameter दिया है, and we have to find out the radius of a circle. So radius is the half of the diameter. So we will write radius equal to half of the diameter. D means diameter. So half multiplied by diameter is 8 centimeter. So 2 4s are 8. So answer is 4 centimeter. Okay, understood? Diameter दिया है और हमें radius find out करना है. So radius is half of the diameter. So half multiplied by diameter. So it is 4 centimeter. Fourth one, radius is given and diameter we have to find out. Fourth one, 7 centimeter. This is radius, and we have to find out the diameter. So 2 multiplied by radius. 2 multiplied by this r means radius. So radius is 7 centimeter. So 7 2s are 14 centimeter. This is the diameter of a circle. See here radius is given and we have to find out the diameter. So diameter is double of this radius. So 2 के साथ multiply करेंगे. This r means radius. 2 multiplied by radius. 2 multiplied by 7 centimeter. So it is 14 centimeter. Okay. Now next, rest of this 3 you have to practice at home. Already I have explained you this 3. On the basis of that you have to find this 3. It's very easy. मैंने समझाया आपको. Now we'll go to the next question number 5. Join the stars and dots given below and make a circle. What you have to do? यहाँ पे stars and circle आपको दिया गया है. So you have to just join it with the use of pencil, so you will get the circle. It's very easy, no? So you have to do by your own self here. Now turn the page number 112. Here question number 6. Match the following. Match the circle with their measure of radius given below. Here you can see different radius are given. So आपको सर्कल देख के ही पता चलेगा कि कौन सा सर्कल कितने मेजरमेंट का है. आपको you just measure it with the use of compass and you match it with the given radius over here. So I will show you. You have to just measure it, the measure of the radius given below. आपको उसको measure करना है and you have to match it with the given radius. Okay? आपको यहाँ पे measure करना है. See this first one. Put the tip of the compass over here and you just measure it like this. Okay? Now just measure it on a scale. This is smaller one you have in your compass box. उसके ऊपर आपको measure करना है. See this is your scale. On this you put like this on 0. So it is near about 3 centimeter. First one circle is 3 centimeter. Radius is given 3 centimeter. So you just see this first circle you join with this radius given over here 3 centimeter. First one circle हमने measure किया ना. This one first one the radius is 3 centimeter. तो उसको यहाँ पे आपको measure करना है. Okay? This way you have to measure all these circles given over here and you have to match it over here with the given radius. Okay, it's very easy. Now question number 7. Draw the circles as per the measure of the radius given below using a compass. Using a compass you have to draw the circle. Here you can see I have drawn the circle with the use of compass. आपको क्या करना है, मेजरमेंट दिया गया है यहाँ पे. See this first one is 2 centimeter. So how you will draw? स्केल लेना है, उसके ऊपर ये कंपास रखो, राउंडर रखो and measure it 2 centimeter like this. हो गया ये 2 centimeter. Okay, then this rounder you put over here. सेंटर पॉइंट एक आपको रखना है यहाँ पे पेंसिल से एंड देन ड्रॉ दिस सर्कल विद द यूज ऑफ कंपास. हैव यू सीन हाउ आई एम होल्डिंग दिस राउंडर? आपने देखा मैंने कैसे राउंडर को होल्ड किया, पकड़ा है. से पकड़ के फुल राउंड बनाना है आपको. ओके, दिस वे यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस ऑल द सर्कल्स गिवन ओवर हियर. See, first one is 2 centimeter, second 3 centimeter, third one is given 1.5 and the last one is given 3.5, sixth one. You can see this sixth one 3.5. How you have to measure it on a scale that I will show you. This is a scale. 0 पे रखना है टिप को and this is 3.5. See, this is 3.5, 3.5. Okay. मेजर हो गया राउंडर पे. अभी उसको वहाँ पे रखना है. या सेंटर पॉइंट बना के यहाँ पे रखो और सर्कल बनाना है आपको. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ टर्न द पेज. दिस वे यू हैव टू मेजर इट ऑन अ स्केल एंड देन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट. ओके, और मेजरमेंट यहाँ पे लिखना है, रेडियस जो दिया गया है. नाउ टर्न द पेज. Here also question number 8 is given like this only. You have to measure it and you have to draw the circle. Question is given. Draw a circle with the radius of 5 centimeter using a compass. Draw a second circle with the radius 4 centimeter having a same center and draw a third circle with the radius 2 centimeter having the same center. एक कॉमन आपको सेंटर लेना है यहाँ पे. एनी वन सेंटर यू पुट लाइक दिस एंड फ्रॉम दिस सेम सेंटर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ 3 सर्कल्स. फर्स्ट मेजरमेंट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर, देन 4 सेंटीमीटर, देन 2 सेंटीमीटर. डिफरेंट रेडियस लेके आपको सेम सेंटर से 3 सर्कल्स बनाने हैं. ओके, यू हैव टू ट्राई इट एट होम. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Here different patterns are given. You can see दिस पैटर्न्स यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एनी मेजरमेंट यू कैन टेक इन दिस वन। आपको यहाँ पे स्पेस दी है, उस हिसाब से आपको मेजरमेंट लेके यहाँ पे ये पैटर्न्स ड्रॉ करना है। ओके, विद द यूज ऑफ compass. Okay, next is given, see, complete the designs. Here one design is given. This here you have to draw with the use of scale and the rounder compass. It's very easy. आपको इसको देख के ही उसमें से मेजरमेंट लेके आपको ये डिज़ाइन बनानी है। नेक्स्ट इज टर्न द पेज। Question number 11. Answer the following questions on the basis of the picture. Here, see, 4 pictures are given. Answer the following questions on the basis of the picture. See, 4 pictures are given over here. So, first question is, in which top is the stick nearest to the circle? Nearest to the circle. In which top is the stick nearest to the circle? That you have to find and you have to write the answer. Which top will spin the best? This one, B1 is spin the best because the stick is in the center, so that will spin very well. Which top will spin a little? कौन सा जो सर्कल है वो थोड़ा सा ही घूमेगा? विच वन? D1, क्योंकि उसका जो सेंटर है वो साइड में है तो वो थोड़ा सा ही घूमेगा। विच टॉप विल नॉट स्पिन एट ऑल? कौन सा जो टॉप है वो नहीं, अच्छे से ज़रा भी नहीं घूमेगा? A and C. A and C में आप देखिए, द सेंटर पॉइंट इज वेरी नियर टू दिस साइड हियर, सो इट विल नॉट स्पिन एट ऑल। ओके, सो हियर योर all the questions are complete. I have explained all the questions from this chapter number 8. In this chapter what we have seen about circle, parts of the circle, that is center, radius and the diameter. These 3 parts of the main basic part we have seen in the circle, and how to find out the radius and the diameter. If radius is given, so we'll multiply with 2, so we'll get the diameter of the circle. And if the diameter is given, so we can find out the radius of the circle, half of the diameter. Half से diameter को multiply करेंगे, so we'll get the radius of the circle. Okay. Main part, center, radius and the diameter. These things we have seen in this chapter. And one more thing we have seen, how to use this compass. How to use this compass, and we can draw nice circle with the scale. We will measure it, whatever measurement is given. So we can draw a circle with different measurement. This we have seen in this chapter. Okay, thank you.